bring her down easy. We're taking water over the side. Hurry up.
A lone 150-meter lobster across the dark, setting up for one prize. With a frantic bluefin team, none of retools for speed control. Because a big thunus can turn a calm deck into a sudden wrestling match. Stay harmless until the last second. Small habits that prevent big injuries offshore. When the fish is measured in hundreds of pounds, clear lanes and clear signals matter as much as speed. A pencil line on waterproof paper fixes the plan. Hold the ship over deep water where bluefin travel. The bait is cut uniform and kept.
The crusher claw handles the hard shells, while the cutter is for tearing tissue. Yeah.
So we need to separate them immediately.
To survive long runs because bluefin don't quit quickly. One clean path from bins to water, built for a precise long run. The first buoy hits water.
The key to the bisque is timing the aeration just before the final reduction. We keep the lobster separate until plating.
Only over water. When it's gone, and the deck stays safe. Spacing is everything. Too tight and leaders tangle. Too wide and the set loses efficiency. In the blue, a single Atlantic bluefin moves like a torpedo, built for endurance and speed. Close up, the bluefin's body.
How long on the
is
steamer?
engineered. Dense
2 minutes, chef.
tight
We need
lines,
more plates.
No wasted motion. The hook hangs quiet, and the fish closes the gap with measured confidence. The circle hook does its job through geometry.
That color is exactly
rolling
right.
as the fish turns away.
Ready for service, chef.
Hook and mouth proof shows a clean corner set.
Make sure the
Exactly
claws are
what the gear is
presented
designed
perfectly
to
on the
achieve.
linguine, and we need 3 more covers ready now.
The ship keeps feeding
Service,
into a
please.
blank
Yes,
horizon.
chef. 2 lobster
Alone,
while walking.
Quiet and methodical.
Hands on the pass.
With both buoys down, the set is complete, and the waiting begins. Nothing moves on the surface, while hooks work invisibly below. The haul starts slow, steady power, no jerks, because a bluefin can punish mistakes.
Steel comes aboard only when it's made harmless again, guarded, then stored.
The line loads up, and
I've never seen anything so extravagant.
pulling deep.
It's absolutely divine. Cheers.
A bluefin breaks the surface in one explosive
We need those
leap.
lobsters moving
Raw fish
faster.
converted into
Table 4 is
spray
waiting.
and sound.
Yes, chef. 2
At
minutes
the
on the
rail,
steam.
The camera finds the corner hook. Placement that avoids deep injury. A sling and tail rope turn chaos into
The
control,
grilled Maine lobster
guiding the
with
tuna
drawn
into
butter.
steel without punctures.
Enjoy your meal.
Padding protects the fish and the crew, stopping slides
Finest
on a wet
Maine
deck.
lobster, pan-seared and served with our signature saffron sauce.
The hook
Enjoy.
is reversed out smoothly. Fast,
This is the
calm,
best
and
lobster I've
unbothered.
ever had. Absolutely delicious.
Once the steel is guarded,
This is
the deck
unbelievable.
returns to a safe workspace.
Seriously, the best meal I've had all year.
Length
You
and
guys
girth
have to
are
try this
captured
butter
in
sauce.
seconds. Data that tells the story of size without delay. The record stays old school. Waterproof paper tied to a single fish and a single hook. Immediate chilling is the real race. Temperature control decides quality long before any kitchen done. The deck is restored. Traction, order, and space for whatever the next leader brings. The cadence resumes. Haul, clear, guard, stout. Repeat until the line is finished. Bluefin fight by swimming. Turning the ocean
Keep it
itself
steady there,
to
Jim.
resistance.
All right, she's almost empty. Get the next one ready.
The set is mechanical and predictable. Tension,
Watch
rotation,
the swell on this
then
one.
the corner hold.
All right, pull it
Another
up now.
proof shot. Jaw corner, clean line.
Bring her up
minimal
slow.
harm.
Watch the stern. All right, coming through. Deck clear.
The tuna comes up reluctantly, still trying to swim through the pull. The corner set is visible again. Clear evidence the circle hook worked as intended. The lift is slow and deliberate, keeping weight
Watch the
supported.
starboard side. She's catching on the drum.
I see it. Bringing her up now.
The crew gives the fish space. Control comes from positioning, not force.
Steel is neutralized the moment it leaves the mouth, guarded, then gone from the work zone.
Even on padding, one kick from a bluefin reminds everyone why distance is safety.
Numbers go down quickly, size captured without keeping the fish warm for a second longer.
The lid shuts, trapping cold, because temperature, drama, protects the final product.
The celebration is quick and grounded. Bluefin visible in the ice, proof of the haul. They keep hauling, because the line still holds possibilities. Small maintenance prevents big failures when the next fish pulls like a freight train. Out here, isolation is constant. Just steel, water, and the work. A simple tally tracks the haul, hook by hook, written down where it can't glitch. The fish's path is efficient. No wasted turns, just steady momentum.
The moment is brief. Take, turn, and the geometry locks in. Proof again. A corner hold that favors quick release and clean handling.
Near the boat, the fight becomes leverage. Short circles, heavy pulls, controlled pace.
The camera catches the hook placement before any lift. Clear, verifiable, and humane by design.
Hold it
They
steady,
bring it
up
aboard with
easy.
support, not stabbing, avoiding damage and danger. Hook is out, point is covered, and the hazard disappears in one practiced motion.
They link the fish to a pin and a timestamp. Traceability without electronics.
Under deadlines, the operation stays calm. Order is the only way to keep pace.
With gear secured, the ship shifts from capture to preservation, keeping bluefin cold and stable. The long run back is quiet, just engines and the discipline of cold storage. The plan is checked again on the paper. Time equals as much as the catch. One quick look confirms it. Atlantic bluefin, intact.
Okay,
chilled,
bring it down.
and
Watch your
unmistakable.
side. That's the
last
biggest haul
quiet
this week.
celebration.
Secure it.
Bluefin in the ice, work
They're
complete,
spilling out.
and the ocean still
Oh.
empty around.
Grab the big one.
On
Put them in the
land,
right crate.
priority stays the same. Keep Unveil cold, clean, and documented. Paper tags travel with each container, so the line never loses its identity.
Intake confirms the fish arrived whole. Atlantic bluefin, still locked in cold.
Weight is logged on paper, time needed, and shipment to a single documented fish. The room is built for hygiene, cold air, clean steel, and controlled movement. A cold rinse removes surface grit without raising temperature. Processing is shown as precision, clean cuts, clean surfaces,
Watch
and
the
no
surge. Fill that
unnecessary
bin first.
exposure. Trimming turns big
This
muscle
stack is
into
heavy. Give me a
consistent
hand with this
portions,
one.
ready for standardized
Sorted
packing.
now. Almost full. Watch the swell.
The thickness is correct, 40 millimeters.
Copy that. Moving to bin
Marking
4.
it as checked.
Removing air slows oxidation, protecting color and consistency from storage.
Cartons keep packs square, stable, and easy to track through the cold chain. Freezing lock structure before time can soften the cables.
Watch the swing on that trap.
Pallets are built like cargo.
Clear the chute.
not
We got another
groceries.
heavy one coming up.
Tight, squared, and
Hold it
protected.
steady. Big swell coming. Yeah, I see it. Lower away.
Keeps cartons from shifting, preserving seal integrity during transport.
Heavy one here. Get it in the steam. We got another stack waiting.
Staging is still part of preservation. Every minute stays in a winter store becomes the next building. Doors open only long to load. Load bars prevent slippage. Small hardware that protects the entire shipment. A physical seal and handwritten code close the loop. Simple, rigidly secure. Capable of tying weight, lock, and destination together so nothing gets mixed or
We'll
lost.
set the next string right here, just off the ledge.
Confirmed,
Frozen
Captain.
storage,
20
hold
fathoms,
steady.
clear of traffic.
Stability is the invisible ingredient. A thick sheet prevents human memory from becoming the system. The last inspection is about integrity. Pack, wrap, and code together. It's cold as the bridge between rooms. Cold maintained, exposure minimized.
Cleaning isn't downtime. It's quality control.
The audit is visible. Check marks, times, initials, proof the process was followed.
I swear the size of that one's
Once
claw.
sealed, the shipment becomes
All right,
a
let me just
moving
finish this
freezer.
entry first.
Nothing more, nothing less.
How's the depth sounder
The
looking?
factory phase
Still
ends
shallow
with
on the starboard
uniform
side.
cartons,
Keep her steady.
Consistent, cold, and ready to travel. Frost tells the story. The cold never broke. The bluefin is no longer a fish. Here it's a protected, traceable product.
We
inside a
log the
controlled
catch data
system.
in real time to
At
ensure
receiving,
compliance with the
first
quotas
question is
and track
simple.
the movement of the
Is
traps.
the seal intact and the paperwork clean? Storage buys time, frozen stability, until service is ready.
Bridge, the course is holding steady.
A single
Pass
carton
the
is
chowder
selected
down here.
by list, not by guess.
Good run today.
Precision continues.
Look at the market
off
log. The
boat.
price on culls is dropping again.
The last handoff is quiet.
Barely worth the fuel
Door
cost at
closes,
this rate.
Cold holds, and quality stays protected.
In the kitchen, the focus is restraint. Clean hands, clean tools, and minimal exposure to
Slow, cold, and written down by hand.
seasoning is minimal. Let some grain to bluefin help cover it.
A quick sear sets the outside while the interior stays delicate.
Get this line tight on the bollard.
All right, lift on three.
Presentation is
1,
simple.
2,
Clean
3.
lines that highlight texture and color.
Watch the tide. Get this line tight on the bollard.
All right, lift on
reaction
3.
is
1,
understated.
2, 3.
Proof that careful handling can be tasted.
Watch the tide.
Back on deck, the routine returns. Secure hooks, close bins, and reset for the next trip. They don't celebrate with speeches. Maintenance is the real finish line. The trip is closed in record. Counts, times, and notes recorded. And verified.
For a moment, the work pauses. Just open water, the memory of heavy blows.
The ship settles into rest. The bluefin run finished without sweat.
Lowering the load now. Clear the area.
One last high five.
We're clear. Send the
Bluefin
next one
visible
down.
in the ice. Then the lid closes and the deck goes quiet.
All right, lift it easy. Watch the stern
What
line.
remains is a clean surface.
Clear on the
and a
left,
clean
Cap.
record. How the catch was made.
Bring her up slow.
And protected. The ocean flattens into silence, and the story ends in a still water.
Watch the forklift coming around.
This pallet is clear for shipment.
Confirmed. Logging 250 pounds.
Because a big thunder splits into a calm, safe custody. Garden boys stay harmless until the last second. Small habits that prevent big injuries offshore.
According to the manifest, these shipments need to go out immediately.
Yes, the red route avoids the heaviest congestion, ensuring the lobsters arrive fresh.
Ready, lift on three. One, two, three.
The plan. Hold the ship over
Okay,
deep
easy
water
down now.
where
Watch your
bluefin
feet.
trout.
Right there.
Baits cut uniforms and kept covered, so sit and not cross the deck. The leader builds the line on the runway because bluefin don't quit quickly.
Everything points up. One clean path continues to water.